Patient Forms, Dynamic Forms. The Forms tab allows staff to complete structured, department-specific forms linked to each patient visit. Examples of forms include admission assessment, COVID-19 screening, mental status, examination, consent forms, handover checklists. These forms provide a structured way to collect important clinical information. Forms include several powerful features. Fields automatically adapt based on the type of form. Required fields can be enforced according to hospital policies. Version control allows forms to be updated while maintaining history. Each form records the timestamp and the user who completed it. Administrators can also design custom forms using a flexible form editor. These forms can include text inputs, tables, headings, images, structured layouts. Once created, forms can be reused across departments. For example, hospitals can send pre-appointment forms to patients to collect information before their visit. Staff can then review the completed forms before the consultation. These forms can also be printed when needed.